Hey there, Snapchat users. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of reporting a Snap video in Snapchat. Whether you come across inappropriate content or something that violates Snapchat's community guidelines, this full guide will show you how to report it. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on Spotlight, located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to the Spotlight section, where you can discover and watch a variety of Snap videos. Step 3. Find the Snap video that you want to report. Tap and hold on the Snap to bring up the options related to the video. Step 4. Among the options, you'll see Report Snap. Tap on it to initiate the reporting process. Step 5. A menu will appear with different options to select a reason for reporting the Snap video. Choose the most appropriate reason that aligns with the violation or issue you encountered. Reporting a Snap video helps maintain a safe and positive environment within the Snapchat community. If you come across content that violates Snapchat's community guidelines or is harmful in any way, it's important to report it promptly. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.